In this video, we will be covering turning on portal access for your users, customizing your portal appearance, and defining your question fields. Our dedicated support team will integrate the POS portal add-on to your system on your behalf and enable portal access for your users. But let's go over enabling portal access for additional users. From your dashboard, navigate to Settings in the top gradient navigation bar, where you will land on the Manage Users settings page. Here you can use the portal toggle to turn on or off portal access for each user. Each user who's been granted portal access will receive an individual portal URL that they can share. By clicking on their profile photo in the upper right hand corner of the screen in the navigation bar, they can access this link in their user profile settings under Personal Information. To generate business, most users will include this URL in their email signature with an Apply Now button. Leads will then go through duplicate management rules and assigned to the particular user attached to the portal link. Once Shape's customer portal has been integrated and your users have been activated, start configuring the settings to your needs. Shape's customer portal is pre-configured to industry standards, but each company has its own preferences. From the Manage Customer Portal settings page, you can easily alter the application, the document needs list, custom questions, necessary fields, and more. Using the Manage Customer Portal settings tab, upload your logo file. For the best look, use a high quality PNG type file with background transparency. You can also update the sidebar color and text to match your branding. You can easily add needs list document requests that are either for standard upload or for e-signature. Add the documents at the top of the page and then use those documents to create unlimited needs lists below. Shape also gives you the ability to add custom questions for those situations that fit outside of the norm. Since we can't add these custom questions to the 3.2 file, we save the responses in the customer's portal tab within the record. If there are specific questions that you do not want a customer to be able to get past without filling in, Shape gives you the ability to make any questions in the portal application mandatory to be filled out before moving on. Back at the top of this page, you will find the Manage Portal Fields button where we can remove and re-enable any of the questions in the portal application. If you remove all fields from a question, then that question will no longer appear in the application. Let's quickly cover the company settings page where you can add your website, the company logo that appears in the top left of the portal, and relevant business information for your customers. If you need to add additional portal footer content for legal reasons, you can add up to 2,500 characters of footer content here. Lastly, let's cover the notifications in Shape regarding the portal. Shape comes out of the box with triggers set to notify the user as well as the borrower for updates regarding their application. These can be found in the Manage Triggers settings page and searching Portal. We recommend reviewing these trigger sets to make sure that they work for your company's needs. If you have any further questions regarding setting up your customer portal, please do not hesitate to reach out to our dedicated support team by emailing support@setshape.com.